My name is Shane Mann and I am the CEO of Transora. Transora have been working with the bus industry since 2015 to unlock potential of technology in the engineering function. The bus industry is old and full of paper-based processes. In many cases, these processes are over 50 years old. We all know change is hard, but when the processes are so ingrained, the jump to technology is made infinitely harder. The industry knows that to be better, it must use technology, but that's easy to say. The most obvious place to improve was the pre-use inspection of a vehicle by a driver to get in control of unplanned maintenance. Traditionally, the information generated by drivers came from a driver defect card filled out with a pen. The net result was it could take anywhere from 12 to 48 hours to get the details of the defect into a system, if at all, so the engineer could deal with it, not to mention issues with handwriting or water damage. Use of technology has never been an issue. It's the acceptance of technology by the user group that is the biggest obstacle. By introducing the technology, the driver population cannot be overburdened with administration tasks such as remembering usernames, passwords, scrolling to find vehicle registrations and lists. We had to do something that made their day better, which is where we decided to use the same tap technology that you use with your bank card to buy something in a shop. We've configured the app so a tap to an ID badge identifies the driver and logs them in. This automatically gathers information such as date, time, GPS, location, which is great for compliance. In turn, the vehicle inspection starts automatically, leading the driver around the vehicle using a sequenced set of questions. All this information is then sent in real time to the relevant people in the bus company to ensure a safe fleet is operating. To engage the driver population to use tech, we had to show that this is a better way to do things and that it protected them. We have many stories of mini battles that break out between drivers and engineers when drivers feel like they weren't being listened to or issues raised weren't being reacted to, leading to frustration. In the paper world, inspection information was often mislaid, and in the event of an incident, a driver can end up with no demonstrable evidence that says that they did their job properly, and often led to unwarranted disciplinary actions. By using an app, we could demonstrate to a driver that any information generated by them keeps them safe in their job, and engineering has no choice other than to take an action on the issue. The driver's day is better by removing administration and puts them in the knowledge that any information generated by them keeps them safe in their jobs, ensuring peace of mind. Having engaged drivers is one thing, but the true benefit to a company is access to real-time information about the state of their fleet. They need to know that it's been maintained in a safe way and is performing at its optimum. The bus industry is also heavily regulated. By digitizing, companies can now demonstrate to the authorities that a good demonstrable check has been done on every vehicle before it goes out on the road. To create engaged drivers, we have to make sure we don't overburden them. But using technology properly, we can generate information such as step counts for an inspection, combine this with time, create a KPI that then determines a good v bad inspection. Bad inspections can be used as training tools to isolate drivers that need training and leave the good performing drivers get on with their day. Real-time information allows engineering react quicker, creating safer buses, and ensures that contractual obligations are being met in running a bus service. Everybody wants tech. Everybody knows technology makes them better by giving them the ability to measure and optimize. In the bus industry, we had to find a way to engage the user populations to change old processes and use technology. The biggest user population being drivers, we had to deliver a piece of software that did not make their job harder and improve things for them every day. By using tap technology, we removed all administration, which allows them to get on the job of inspecting a vehicle and delivering a bus service. This unlocking of the driver group is the hardest piece. Once done, it unlocks technology as a whole, giving the ability to digitize the entire engineering operation, including planned and unplanned maintenance for the delivery of a better bus service.